All right, everybody. I went over my thoughts on the cheap eBay gaskets, Amazon gaskets. I don't care. I'm sure it's the same for any brand of bike, but you get what you pay for. And the Chinese ones, trust me, I'm as frugal as they come. If you could buy something that worked and wasn't a waste of your time and going to cause you a whole bunch more frustration, I would be buying it. But that's not the case. I've done videos in the past trying to fit gaskets, and you put them on and they'll want to get a kink in them because they're just too big. I like the best bang for the buck is either Vezra gaskets or Athena gaskets, or if you got more money, then OEM gaskets. Other than that, I don't mess around. There are no other gaskets. There's a few things in the Vezra and also the Athena gaskets that I do not use. I do not use any aftermarket. This is the valve cover gasket. It's rubber gasket. It's reusable. The OEM ones last for decades. But you gotta remember, we're decades into these bikes. They're 40 some odd years old. So the tension on OEM gaskets, the rubber gasket, is now gone, and you probably need a new one. In your gasket kit, they come with these. I throw them away. If you fill them next to an OEM one, you can fill them side by side. These are just a bit harder. They don't seal up. You probably can get them to seal up, but I like to put everything together dry, and I've just had bad luck with any brand of this rubber gasket. I prefer these copper crush washers for the exhaust. These come in the in the Vezra gaskets. Athena, I also will not use the rubber valve cover gasket, but I also will not use, they have some aluminum crush washers, and the OD of them is just a bit too big. It does not fit in the head. It doesn't like to seal up properly, and it's a pain in the butt. So those are my suggestions. The next thing is if you're going to be replacing your the hold down covers with the rubber on them, that's another thing. They're expensive. I know they're expensive, but they're a softer rubber, and these will last for a very long time, many years. But they're wore out now, so they need to be replaced. I have tried. Here's the cheap, buy the whole kit for $10, where one of these is like $6 a piece. And you'll know it's a Chinese piece of junk if the cap's not molded to it like the OEM ones are. The problem with these is I don't know if this is going to come out in the picture very good, but the little snub nose on these are longer, and they're a little bit smaller OD. Also, the inside where the bolt goes through is a very small hole, so it grabs on the bolt. What ends up happening is you'll bolt that down, and this rubber thing here will squeeze into here, and then it like flops out like this. It expands, and then when you want to take your valve cover out of the engine, it is really hard to get the valve cover out with the frame right here above it, even with all of these out. But if you use these Chinese ones, they're going to be stuck down in there. You also won't be able to get the bolt back out, because the bolt, if you try and pull the bolt out, it mushrooms this rubber even further, and you'll play hell. Those are junk. Waste of my money. I've bought two different kits, two different styles. both of them were junk. Never again. They're just junk. So anyways, that's my thoughts on cheap gaskets, and nothing is cheap, and you get what you pay for. Have a good day, everybody.